Most people on YouTube just talk about selling on Etsy. We're actually doing it. We're starting a brand new Etsy shop from scratch with one goal: hit 100K in sales as fast as possible. And we're taking you along for the ride with us. Welcome to episode 1.
What's up, guys? I'm Lauren.
And I'm Connor.
And we're a married couple that's done over $1.9 million in sales thus far on Etsy. We both quit our 9-to-5 jobs over the past year, and we are actively growing and pursuing our Etsy businesses with no intention of stopping anytime soon.
We're making these videos for 3 main reasons. Number 1, to document our journey from where we're at right now, just under $2 million, all the way to $10 million and beyond, starting with this challenge on a brand new Etsy shop.
Along the way, we'll be sharing what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing to grow our Etsy shops.
In full transparency, we're selfishly making these videos to attract other Etsy sellers just like you who align with our values and want to work with us to help them grow their Etsy businesses.
Over the last 18 months, we've had the opportunity to work one-on-one with over 180 Etsy sellers, helping many of them achieve the 6- and 7-figure marks.
Take Lorena, for example. Lorena generated over 115K in her first 7 months and over 93K during the peak 30 days of Christmas in 2024.
Or Angie. Angie generated 200K while working one-on-one with me over 12 months.
Or Chris and Tracy. They generated their first 100K on Etsy in less than 12 months and ran 51K over the peak 30 days last Christmas.
YouTube is the next step in our journey, where our mission is to help thousands of people just like Lorena, Angie, and Chris and Tracy replace their income by building a print-on-demand business on Etsy, just like we have done.
By the way, guys, we are giving away 1 free year of one-on-one coaching with us. This includes up to 24 Zoom calls with us over the next 12 months, 24/7 messaging access, and so much more. All you have to do is like this video, leave a comment sharing your story and why you want to work with us, and then apply using the link in the description.
So that brings us to point number 1. What is print-on-demand and why Etsy? If you're new here or not totally sure what print-on-demand is, let's start from the basics. Print-on-demand is a business model where you sell physical products like tumblers, t-shirts, or Christmas ornaments without ever having to carry inventory, pack boxes, or ship anything yourself. When a customer places an order, a production partner prints, packs, and ships the product directly to your customer. And you keep the profit difference between what the customer pays and what it costs to produce and ship.
It's one of the easiest ways to start a product-based business with no upfront inventory risk and very low startup costs. And we've built our entire Etsy business on this model. But why does it work so well? Alex Hormozi and Naval Ravikant talk about the 4 types of leverage businesses can have. These include labor, capital, media, and software. The details of each of these types of leverage is out of the scope of this first video, but print-on-demand inherently uses 2 types of leverage from day 1. First, you utilize the labor of your production partner to free up your time to focus on creating products. Then you utilize media as leverage. Media is your biggest form of leverage in print-on-demand. You create a design or a design template once, and that design can continue to sell for thousands and thousands of times, just like some of our listings right here.
This brings us to point number 2. Why Etsy, not Shopify or Amazon? Well, Etsy is hands down one of the best platforms for beginners and experienced sellers alike because Etsy already has built-in traffic, like 100 million active buyers. People go to Etsy looking for unique, custom, and handmade style products, which makes it perfect for print-on-demand. Since these items can be easily personalized, your products can be priced as if they are one of a kind, because they actually are one of a kind. And therefore, you don't need to operate on razor-thin margins like you do on Amazon while selling commoditized products.
And the best part, you don't need to learn complicated ad strategies or how to drive your own traffic from day 1 like you would with Shopify. Every single one of our sales comes from leveraging Etsy's existing customers on the Etsy marketplace. No Instagram, no Pinterest, no Facebook, just Etsy. Our goal is to leverage the 100 million active buyers on Etsy by placing products they love in front of them on the marketplace. The customers are already there looking to buy, and we just need to create awesome products that they'll love. We'll be showing you guys exactly how we do this throughout the rest of this challenge.
So this brings us to point number 3, how to open your shop and integrate a production partner.
So the very first step we're taking in this challenge is opening our brand new Etsy shop. If you haven't done this yet, it's super simple. Go to Etsy.com, click Sell on Etsy, and follow the prompts to create your shop name and settings. Your shop name isn't super important right now, and you can always change it later. Etsy will have you fill out a bunch of background info to get set up.
To our surprise, creating a shop on Etsy is a little more involved and a little more complicated than it was a few years ago. First off, Etsy now charges $30 to open an account. This used to be free, but now there's a small fee to begin selling. Etsy also required us to take a photo using their facial recognition software to confirm our identity, which was a little strange, but overall, the process was a little more involved than we remembered. But honestly, I think it's a great thing. Back in 2020, Etsy had a huge rush of new users, and many struggled with temporary suspensions that seemed to be super random. Ultimately, Etsy was just super overwhelmed with the number of new users at that time. With the new fee and a stricter approval process, it actually makes it better for the sellers. Those suspension issues seem to be a thing of the past, and you should have no issue opening up your new shop today.
Once your shop is open, Etsy will want you to create your very first listing. If you don't have a listing yet, that's okay. Just fill in the bare minimum required info to proceed and then deactivate that listing until you're ready. Then you'll want to choose a print-on-demand production partner like Printify or Inner Circle Prints so that your orders can be fulfilled automatically. Deciding on a production partner can be daunting at first. You may be wondering, how do I know that the quality will be good, and won't I need to order samples? Thankfully, both of these production partners have fulfilled tens of thousands of orders for us over the last few years, and both of them are amazing. Your samples can be the tens of thousands of 5-star reviews that we've received without ever touching a product. If you're still unsure, you can always order a sample for yourself, but it's absolutely not required.
In this challenge, we'll be using products from Inner Circle Prints. As a new shop, we want to really be strategic with the products we choose to sell. Inner Circle Prints specializes in strategic product types that have huge demands, but are limited supply on Etsy. Inner Circle Prints is always adding new and hot products to the catalog, and by choosing a strategic product type rather than something like apparel, which has millions of other shops already selling that product, it gives us an advantage.
Basic business supply and demand, but honestly, it's really important and something that many Etsy sellers overlook. I've worked with many sellers who have previously struggled, not because they didn't have good products, but because they were trying to sell a product that had tons and tons of competition. And it can be really hard to build momentum as a brand new shop on Etsy in 2025. It's a very different marketplace than it was compared to 2020. Once these people reprioritized their efforts on a strategic product type, their sales increased significantly and they started to build that momentum.
So we added Inner Circle Prints as our production partner. To do this, you'll want to go to your Etsy shop settings and click on partners you work with. From there, you can add a production partner and you can enter their name, which we're using Inner Circle Prints. Then you can enter a short description, something along the lines of production partner, and then you'll enter their location. This one specifically is in Spokane Valley, Washington, and then you can enter a brief description of what they do, something along the lines of helps to print and ship my items. Then you'll select I don't have the technical ability or equipment to make it entirely myself. Your role in the design process will be I design everything myself. And finally, your partner's role in the production process is that they do everything for me. These settings align with Etsy's seller guidelines, and it's really important that we set this up right away and are super truthful with who is doing what part of this process.
After this, you'll head over to InnerCirclePrints.com and create a new account. They have a free 7-day trial that you can start with, and after that, it's only $19 a month.
So, if you're following along with us, your homework is to open your new Etsy shop and create your account with your production partner. You don't need any listings yet, and we'll tackle that in future videos.
If you've enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate if you would like the video and subscribe. It will really help us to begin to reach more and more people just like you. And remember, if you guys would like to work one-on-one with us for the next 12 months, leave a comment below sharing why you'd like to work with us. We'll be picking one person to work with us for free over the next 12 months.
So stay tuned. In episode 2, we are diving deep into product research, how to find products with demand, and build a list of winners you can start selling right away. You don't want to miss it.